because this is already looking really, really good. I think the last part of this, I would bring this through camera raw filter. All right. Now in camera raw filter, it's important to know that I do like to check this geometry. That's if you come up here to this window and you hit this button and then auto apply. It works great for people. It works great for shots that you got the point of horizon incorrect. Basically meaning like the shot's just off a little bit. Photoshop will fix that. And for anybody doing structural photography, this is the keys to always check this here for amazing photos. But it works great for people. It'll go through and give any adjustments and settings there, but this is going to come through right here. I'm going to show you how I would set this up here. Touch blacks. Any temperature if you really wanted, hot, cold. Right now it's kind of like, it looks kind of cold because it was winter. If we wanted to kind of turn it up a little bit, kind of give her skin more of a glow, it's going to actually look really nice. Color mixer, okay. Here's where we can kind of change the color here. I mean, we could also paint light on her, but we're going to go to the hue and the reds. Maybe it's reading as an orange or a pink. Maybe magenta. So far, I'm liking how that's looking, that pink. Okay, saturation of it then. Turn it off. There we go. Turn it up just a little bit. All right. I mean, if you want for this photo, it would look good with a vignette. I personally don't always use vignettes, but and supplying this with your model, you could send them one without a vignette, export it, send one with a vignette, and just give them some options. Just depending on what you guys are doing. I mean, if you're just doing this for fun and beautiful photos, great, but yeah, this looks really good. Okay. And if I wanted to, though, for the vignette, it would be a dark vignette, and in this case, the dark vignette wins it. Because look, here's without it. Here's the just punched in a little bit. Wow, that's my result on this. That's amazing. Absolutely, with the vignette on this, this thing is done. Now, when it comes to exporting, guys, I want to go through some exporting settings.